Development outlook of China's navigational data, NAVDAT Marine Digital Broadcasting System. Overview. First of all, we will have introduction to NAVDAT. In recent years, with the advancement of global maritime distress and safety system, GMDSS modernization process and e-navigation construction, marine users have put forward higher demand for dissemination of maritime safety information, including content, speed, and timeliness. As a result, the Navigational Data Maritime Digital Broadcasting System came into being. Compared with the traditional NAVTEC system, the NAVDAT system has the advantages of digitalization, high bandwidth, high speed, and so on. International organizations such as International Maritime Organization have also vigorously promoted the application of NAVDAT. The NAVDAT system is an intermediate frequency radio communication system for maritime safety communication services. It operates in 500 kHz frequency band and uses digital transmission technology to provide a shoreship broadcast link. The NAVDAT system can achieve coverage from 100 to 400 nautical miles. The effective data transmission rate is 12 to 18 kbps, which is about 300 times of NAVTEC system. The NAVDAT system can improve the efficiency of information transmission, enrich and improve maritime safety information, broadcast categories, display visually the location of surrounding ships in distress, and realize the simultaneous broadcasting. Therefore, NAVDAT has become one of the key systems supporting maritime broadband communication services in the modernization of GMDSS and e-navigation. So this is a comparison table of NAVDAT system and NAVTEC system. As you can see, the comparison, NAVTEC on the right side, NAVDAT in the middle, and there are communication characteristics in the left. NAVDAT system is mainly composed of 5 parts, and they are information management system, cause station network, intermediate frequency transmission equipment, transmission channel, and marine receiver. So, international NAVDAT development trends. At the beginning of 21st century, the United States, France, Japan, and other countries began to study high-speed digital maritime safety information broadcasting systems. Since the proposal of NAVDAT technology in 2009, NAVDAT has received great attention from many international organizations and countries. The research and preparation of relevant standards and recommendations are still going on. In 2010, ITU released the report M2201, proposed a plan for digital broadcasting of maritime safety information. In 2012, ITU-R formally issued a new technical recommendation, ITU-R M2010. In 2015, IMO-ITU pointed out that NAVDAT can be introduced into SOLAS convention as a supplement or replacement for NAVTEC services. In 2017, the 98th session of the IMO Maritime Safety Committee approved the GMDSS modernization plan draft. The NAVDAT system will be gradually implanted along with the above-mentioned draft. In 2018, the NAVDAT technical recommendation is still being revised and improved, and the IMO plans to officially release the NAVDAT technical standard ITU RM 2010/1 in 2023. Development trends of China's NAVDAT. China put the application of the NAVDAT system in dissemination of China's maritime safety information in higher priority. In 2015, the Eastern Navigation Service Center of China, MSA, established the NAVDAT test system to carry out test verification. In 2018, China submitted 2 proposals on the preliminary manuscript for the revision of M 2010/0. In 2019, China's first NAVDAT test system was mostly completed, and China carried out 3 real ship tests and long-term fixed point tests. This is the communication coverage of NAVDAT system under the condition of 1 kilowatt 1F transmitter and 10 kilohertz bandwidth in Shanghai. In general, the construction and research of China's NAVDAT system has received strong support from the government and the industry, and has been at the world's leading level in terms of equipment development, testing, verification, and research on application layout. In recent years, the revision of the M 2010 recommendation has also been led by China. Here we have China's NAVDAT development outlook. So first, China's NAVDAT has good development conditions. China is a major international shipping country. China will continue to develop based on the preliminary research of NAVDAT technology, further strengthening the leading role in the process of international standard formulation, and providing a valuable opportunity for China to go from following to ultimately leading. From the perspective of national development, the Transportation Department determines that the construction of the NAVDAT system is an important task in the future in multiple levels of planning. The Transportation Department also has dedicated policy, support, and financial guarantee for the construction and development of China's NAVDAT system. From the perspective of users' needs, maritime safety information broadcasting is the largest business in terms of traffic control, traffic volume of coast stations. The NAVDAT system, as an upgrade of NAVTEC system, has demonstrated economic efficiency while improving the effectiveness of information services, and therefore has a good user base. From the perspective of development infrastructure, China has 16 coast stations in coastal areas. The construction and development of China's NAVDAT system has suitable hardware and software condition. So second, the anticipated goals of China's NAVDAT system, as NAVDAT technical proposal document is still being optimized. IMO plans to officially release technical standards in 2023. Therefore, in the near future, a small number of NAVDAT system pilots should be appropriately deployed to strengthen the test and verification of practicability. After the NAVDAT international technical standards are clarified, China will achieve continuous coverage of NAVDAT communication in China's coastal waters and meet the relevant requirements of the latest international conventions and proposals. Third, the NAVDAT layout planning along the coast of China. According to the NAVDAT test at home and abroad, the coverage of NAVDAT communication is about 200 to 250 nautical miles. This paper proposed an overall layout plan for China's coastal NAVDAT stations. They are Dalian, Tianjin, Qingdao, Shanghai, Ningbo, Fuzhou, Shantou, Guangzhou, Zhenjiang, Basu, and Sanya. The coverage effect of NAVDAT station stimulated by WRAP software and is shown in the picture. Conclusion. With the ongoing advancement of national maritime strategies and transformation and development of shipping formats, the application of broadband digital communication technology in the field of maritime traffic safety protection has become more urgent. As a category, as a member of IMO, China should continue to deepen its applied research and maintain international lead in NAVDAT field. In the future, it is necessary to scientifically formulate the NAVDAT system construction and development plan, provide better quality and safe communication services for the navigators. Thank you so much.